Ever called map but thrown away the result? That's a forEach job. Let's fix that. The core difference is return values. Map always returns a brand new array populated with your callback's results. forEach always returns undefined, no matter what. This one distinction explains everything else. When map runs, it creates a new collection in memory. forEach just fires your function on each element and discards any return value. Reach for map whenever you want to transform data. When you need a new array derived from an existing one, double every number, extract a property from objects, or convert between formats. The original array is never touched. Map always produces a new collection from your transformations. Reach for forEach when you need side effects. Actions that don't produce a return value. Logging to the console, updating the DOM, or making API calls for each item. If your callback isn't returning anything useful, forEach is the semantic choice and it signals your intent clearly. Because map returns an array, you can chain filter, reduce, or another map directly onto it. Great for data pipelines. Both map and forEach share one limitation though. Neither can exit early. If you need to break out mid-loop, reach for a regular for loop or the sum and every methods. Map transforms data and returns a new array. forEach runs side effects and returns nothing. Follow for more JavaScript interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.